just released the first autonomous coding agent running in the cloud. It's like having an AI developer that never sleeps. But here's the craziest part. The agent can handle tens or even hundreds of coding tasks at once. It's pretty wild. The black box remote agent has full context of your repo, and it can autonomously complete any task you assign. Front end, back end, machine learning, anything. Blackbox integrates with over 30 IDEs, making it super easy to plug into your workflow. So essentially, it's like having a real-time coding teammate that gets work done with you while you focus on bigger ideas. But here's the wildest part. Developers just assign tasks and the agent works at the same time. No micromanaging needed. You get pinged only when the tasks are done. The agent can build entire apps from scratch, add new features, clean up messy code, and even explain complex code step by step. Now, it's still early days, but the potential here is massive because in theory, the same approach could completely change software development. Imagine coding where repetitive tasks happen automatically so you can focus on creativity. With Blackbox AI, coding smarter, not harder, is closer than you think.